merge two videos together in Premiere Pro, first, you need to open up Premiere Pro and create a new project. And if the UI does not look like this, you need to go to Windows, Workspace, and go for Editing Workspace. I just removed that essential graphics on the right hand side. Now on the left hand side in the projects section, you need to upload a video here. And if you do not see on the top, click on Windows, and inside it, hover on projects and click here. And it's going to appear on the left hand side. Now import the media file. I'm going to add two of my videos here and also import it inside the timeline. And now we got two videos inside our timeline. To merge them together, you just need to highlight both of them. Just click anywhere on the timeline and highlight both of these. Right click, click on Nest. Just type something here. And now both of these clips are merged into one nest. And you can cut it here. So I can press on C on my keyboard and I can cut over here like this. And if you want to make changes to it, just go inside it by double clicking on it. And it's going to open up this group one. Now inside here, I can make changes to it. So if I cut this small part over here, and if I go back into our main scene, I'm going to find that we have got this empty space and I can just drag it from right to left to cover up that empty space. So that's it. This is how to merge two videos inside Premiere Pro. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.